ito yung naging trip namin sa Dominican Republic. Disclaimer lang, sobrang haba itong video na to. Since ito yung mga clips namin ng activity namin. So, si Sir Ronnie Macelo, ang aming tour guide for today, is so kind and very patient. He gave us free ginger tea as well. This tea is so good, super hot, and then perfect for the morning. Around mga 6 a.m. yung mga pick-up time. And then, luckily, nakakatuwa rin naman, is dalawa lang kami na mag-travel or gagawin ng activity na to. Usually daw 6 or 8 or 12 people, pero dalawang cars na yon. This time, nagulat kami, talagang go pa rin ang activities kahit dalawa lang kami. Mag-go din daw siya kahit isa lang. So, di ba ang lupet? Then nakita din namin per research, it takes whole day talaga. Depends kung gaano ka physically fit. And then, ito yung mga views habang nag-travel kayo papunta dun sa destination. It's like we're in the Philippines dahil dito sa mga pasigsag na kabundukan. And then, very safe siya mag-drive. Tamang-tama lang yung bilis, yung speed. And then, smooth transition, smooth turns. As you can see, kahit may makasalubong ka, hindi yun talagang bara-bara or mabilis. Yung tipong aabot ka para kang nagdadrive sa langit. So, meron na rin kaming dala ditong mga pamalit ng damit. May sandals or chinelas. And then, towels. Make sure naka-rubber shoes kayo or yung pwede talaga pang hiking, lalo na sa mga rocks. Pwede rin kayo magdala ng phone protector or yung waterproof if you want to take some videos or photos. Meron din akong nakita nagbebenta or nagsisell ng waterproof case. Yung naglalako, but I think depends on the timing or time. So, much better kung meron kayong dala if you want. Mapapansin nyo, para silang may nayon or barrio. Magkakalayo yung house and then next time para siyang remote. And then, maraming puno, and then mountains, and then maya-maya meron ulit mga houses.
stop here to explain some things to you about the town. And then we continue to breakfast, which is like 15 minutes away.
Okay. Bakit daw? Picturean kita daw. Oh, tsaka sa Los Cacaos. Oo. Tema. Stop muna tayo dito sa Los Cacaos. I-explain ng tour guide natin yung history nitong locations and then ang ating destinations. Hello, yan na yung aso sa'yo. Pinapaligutan ka ng aso.
You know what cacao is?
It's chocolate.
It's your... Oh, yeah.
The fruit where the chocolate comes from. Okay, guys, so we're in Los Cacaos, which is a municipality of San Cristobal province. The country is divided into provinces and provinces into municipalities. And we're on the west of Santo Domingo. So this town or this municipality is very particular because of two things. Number one, it has all these attractions. They're all nearby and interconnected. The one we're visiting today is this one, El Tabernaculo, which is my favorite one. Not because I'm bringing you here, but because it's the coolest one.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
And the second particularity of this town is that before 2020, almost no one knew about all this. So people from Los Cacaos, they already knew about this, right? But most of the people in Dominican Republic didn't. I didn't know about this until 2020. And this is how it happened. In 2020, we had curfew. We couldn't go out at night. We couldn't go out to the nightclub to show off. So people were seeking for daytime activities such as hiking. But it wasn't until this very famous superstar baseball player, Fernando Tatis Jr., he came to this place and he posted a picture that went viral among his millions of followers. So it became very popular and it blew up in a manner that it became the most popular ecotouristic destination of the Dominican Republic in 2021. And everybody was coming here. So in summer 2021, there was a storm in which they had to release the dam and it wiped out the most popular ecotouristic destination of the country overnight. So when people came here and found nothing, the locals started taking the people to the other hikes, and that's how they all became popular. Yeah.
Okay. That's cool.
And now people from this town live not only from agriculture but also from tourism. Yeah.
What?
Yes.
So it was found out after COVID. Yeah, because of the COVID, the
Yeah.
pandemic.
Yeah.
Oh.
I started my business in the pandemic.
At least that's nice.
Yes.
Long
Long
hour.
and difficult.
If it's from
This one.
difficult one,
Yeah, that's the most difficult and extreme.
how many
one.
hours if you go
It
there?
depends on you because for me it's only 3 hours round trip. But when I take people, it has taken 7-8 hours. It depends. Yeah, it depends on your fitness level. It depends on the group, you know. Yeah. So,
but
yeah.
this one, it's still damaged.
Yeah.
Mm,
Right
not-
now it's there's
nah.
nothing to see there.
There's
Because
not.
every time they open the dam, you know, it changes. And they opened it
Ah.
in December when I told you there was.
And then, bago tayo mag-start ng
Oh, may double it.
ating escapade or extreme hiking, Magba-breakfast muna kami. It's already included.
The chickens, do they eat
Super
them?
duper yummy at matitikman nyo yung kanilang local traditional food dito sa Dominican Republic. So, meron din silang parang tofu or meatloaf. And then mash.
Self-service. Go
Hindi
ahead.
siya mashed potato. It says like a kamore. And then, meron din silang... And then, syempre, hindi mawawala yung coffee. Para sa mga coffee lover and morning coffee person. Then, bago mag-start, meron siyang papagawang warm-up or like an exercise para makondisyon yung mga katawan natin. And then, mag-start na tayo sa hiking. So, iwan lahat ng gamit nyo doon sa sasakyan. Like yung mga damit or bags na may mga shoes and then towels. And then, meron din si Sir Ronnie na dala sa kanya waterproof backpack. So, inilagay niya yung water namin just in case, yung bottled water. And also, kung gusto nyo ipalagay yung phone nyo, pwede rin. So, hindi talaga tanggalin yung mga accessories like your earrings and the necklace. Or kung meron man kayong waterproof, then you don't have to. Sir Ronnie is very patient. Hindi niya kayo mamadaliin or anything or blame. Bibigyan niya talaga kayo ng time para makalagpas dito sa mga obstacles na to. Nakala mo meron kayo nasa Survivor Philippines. Super kakaibang experience talaga na to. At super ganda ng tubig, napakalinaw. Na-attract ko nga napanood dito yung buong tour is doon ko lang talaga nakita yung mga underwater na kitang-kita talaga siya.
Punta ka na dun daw. Dali mo, bago pa niya makabit yan. Swim ka na. Ha?
Oh, we just climb up the rope.
Sorry?
We climb up the rope like this. You walk up. Okay.
Okay, he can...
Go first.
Okay. Ba't sa akin? Hindi siya nagpapa sa akin. eh, no? Dahil pala nakabak. Go, 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 sa akin.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah. Alright. Thank you. Survivor. Survivor kat ka?
Survivor cut mo.
Nice. Grabe. Pang survivor kat ka eh. Ay, slipper rin na nga. Galing eh. Hi, hi. Ho-ho.
Las Cortines. Parking.
The creaking? Okay.
Of course.
Bakit? Okay ka lang?
Yes.
Yeah. Wow. Huh.
Okay, here you lean on your right. Like this.
Daw, tingnan mo daw. Oh, you're right.
There you go.
Nice. Good mentor. Great. Huh.
Now,
5-star. Si Doofy. Good job. Kaya daw, oh. Grabe yun. Go! Good luck!
means big rock in Spanish because of this mountain.
Uh-huh.
So, according to the locals, this mountain had this shape because when they were building the dam, they came here to extract material constructions and they cut it out with dynamite.
Ah! So it just got an opening.
Yeah.
Okay ka?
In here we can
Swim
Or?
or walk?
Okay. Well,
Or swim.
you wanna swim? Go. Pero paano ka makakaakyat? Sige, videoan kita habang nag-swim ka. Oh. Sige.
huh?
Okay, go.
Okay, this part has a name that I will tell you after we pass it.
Okay.
After we pass it? Okay, sure. Looks like there's some magic magic word. That's it.
Okay, rocks are slippery even if they don't look slippery, okay?
Okay.
The name of this part was the path of the snakes.
Oh, why? Why? There's a lot of snakes? There's a lot?
Yes.
Where?
Oh.
They're hidden in the bushes.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Silver stick.
When you find a snake, you gotta go into a place like this, find one, grab it,
Grab it?
yeah,
Okay.
and they run away from you, so you have to catch them.
But is it people who eat it?
I
In
know.
Haiti.
Ah, in Haiti.
Because I know, like in my country, in some places they eat snakes,
Okay.
but it's like
Uh-uh.
province. You won't find it in the supermarket, but it's you can eat it.
Yeah.
Yeah, in Haiti, Haitians, they eat the snake.
Oh, that's that's good.
Yeah.
That's cool.
So I've seen snakes.
Have you seen?
Prepare them.
So, Ariko.
This area here is called the jungle.
Okay. Jungle.
Yeah. So this swimming hole is called the Queen because in rainy season you have two waterfalls.
Two water balls if it's a rainy season. One, and then here,
One here,
and then and then
well.
Okay, okay.
But it's dry now. It's dry season.
Yep.
In wet season, we have two waterfalls.
I see.
That's nice. And of course, we're gonna climb and swim and climb.
Swim and climb.
I want to swim.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, we have to.
We have to. No choice.
That's on the road, so you can go.
Yay. Thank you. Yeah. Wait, hold on. Ha? O, baka madalas ka? Oo nga eh, baka bigla akong bumaliktad. Kaka ano ko, extreme pa more. Gusto mo yan?
This slippery. Be careful.
Madulas. Slippery. Oh,
This is the
what?
picture in Viator, right?
Huh? Picture in Viator?
Picture in Viator, right?
The main one?
I think it's this
No.
one, I think.
The main one?
Maybe
No.
one. No?
Like the first one?
With the stone on the middle?
I remember seeing this part,
Oh, maybe in some
Several
people.
pictures.
Yeah.
But the
Ah,
main one is at the entrance of the waterfall.
Oh, yes.
okay.
I'm with a friend. There's another guy.
Okay.
And we're two.
Ah, where is it? Ah, maybe because
Yeah, I mean in the picture, we're two. Maybe,
If
is that
it's
the
too
picture?
many people, you
Of course, if there's like 10
Maybe.
of us.
Yeah, exactly.
usually how many is your max?
So, Max, there's no Max.
As long as
What's the biggest party? 20?
biggest party.
33.
33.
How many? Just two of you.
No, we were four.
Ah, okay.
That makes sense.
Yeah,
Ah, okay.
of course.
Ah.
If there's 33 and there's like 20-year-olds, that's okay.
Yeah, I can imagine there's all age.
58-year-olds.
You cater everyone.
It depends on the fitness level because I have.
What will you do if it depends? You cut it. You don't go far.
Sorry.
You don't go too far. If it's
It's too hard
if it's too hard for the person.
for the client.
No, we just go slow.
That's why it depends on how you travel, the
Exactly.
hours.
Exactly. Because I have brought my parents here. They're on their 60s and they are not in shape.
So you have
So,
to.
but you know,
Yeah.
they go slow, their pace, step by
Yeah.
step, you can do it.
Yeah,
It's true.
it's possible. Yeah. Thank you.
And we gotta swim now.
Mm-hmm. Woo! Woo! Woohoo! Bye! Oh, do you need a rope? No. Huh? Po! Saan? Pa? Sa talikod or what? Yeah? Hold on. Okay. So, ano? Okay, go. Here?
And there's another one.
This one? I
I
can.
mean here. Here and here.
Okay. On? Here? Okay.
Yeah, and then back. Sit down.
Okay. Tricky ah. Oops, sorry.
Here.
Sit down.
There you go.
Alright.
So,
Uh-huh.
you remember the massage?
Huh?
So, the one, yeah, level 2.
Uh-oh, uh-oh. Ayan na! What the heck? Ang lakas! Dumudulas ako! So we have to compile everything. Alright, thank you. That Bro. The cave.
Okay.
Before. Okay.
Why is it called the cave?
Ah.
Because it resembles a cave, and it also has a little cave. Ah, okay.
Okay.
I thought you have to go underwater.
Yeah, that's the one that I usually know. So there's a different kind of.
Okay, so we can swim or hike.
Yeah.
Swim.
Swim and hike. Ikaw swim ka? I will hike. Oh. Bibidyoan kita dyan. Can I hike? Ay, Kike. Oh, bibidyo kita. Hold on. Ow. Nice naman. Huh? What? Ah! What? Oh my G! Breathtaking. Ang ganda! Hala, amazing ka. Pipicture kita ko. Kunyari, bubuhatin mo yung ano, yung bato. Ganon ka. Hindi, yung sa ano, sa picture malayo ka, nasa far away ka. Oh. Gat-gat. Da? Angas mo ah. Picture ka tayo. Anong gusto mong pose? Gusto mo pa-picture tayo? Ganun. Ang ganda! Hindi. Hindi ko lang pupunta dyan. Ikaw din.
Picture tayo sa loob.
Apo. Sana. Ah, step in the water? the dead end. Dead end.
Yeah. You can come in, you can swim.
Ah!
You can go swim all the way to the waterfall. No problem.
Ah, okay. Ito na pala. Dead end na.
Come in, all yours.
Oy! I scared.
Don't worry.
No. Okay. Don't worry because there's another clip. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Yan. Ah! May tubig ba? Oh no. Wala. Come on. Ah, tara. Naka 0.5 na.
Wait.
Going down. Down. In reverse. Ang saya! Nakaito yung pinangdulas ko daw. Yung back ko yung pinangdulas ko. Hoy, yung kamay mo! Kamay! Baby! Baby water slide!
Don't lay down. Sit down.
Ah! Sit down? Ah, sit down. Because the head... Slide? Again? No. What? What? Which part? Ah, is it that hurt? In my foot? In my what? It's safe?
Sit down here.
And then?
Let it go. Sit
Ah,
down. Don't lay down. Sit down.
this one?
Uh-huh.
Which part? This way? Going there? Woo! Ah! Walk and jump. Ha ha ha. This part? This side? More? More? No? More? Okay. More pa. Sa pinakamalapit. Baka mabitin yung talon mo eh. Oh. Froggy. Kaya mo color green. Ah. Yeah, I saw it. But do we have to, yeah. We have to be, oh, in the woods. Maybe in there, in the face. You have to hold him in the face. It might bite you.
No, it doesn't bite. Look.
Do you kill it? Yeah?
No, no, no.
Oh, you don't? What would you do there?
Why? No, why? They don't have a reason to kill.
Ah. Oh, what are you guys? Oh, photo? Oh, sige, go. Oh, it might bite you. Ah. Yeah, meron din siya nakitang isa eh.
What type of breed is this? A python or
Boa.
boa?
Boa, what's
Boa
boa?
constructora.
Is
It
it
must be like
poison?
small. It's not very
Yeah.
baby.
Yeah, he told me they have snakes but not that big. Mm. So we have to bring it in the woods, not in the water. It might follow us.
You know snake swim?
At,
Yeah, they do.
oh yeah, I know they swim, right?
They're really good swimmers.
That's why might be they, it grip on your feet or no? Or sweat on your feet? No.
Well, it depends on something. Look, it's
Yeah, it will, yeah.
but it's not as strong
Or maybe it will go on your, wow, Nox touching. 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 Ano? Hold on. Next.
It's
It's a-
worm. It's like a big
Yeah,
worm.
big worm or snake bug. Snake bug.
Snake bag.
Like a leather.
leather bag.
Leather bag.
You wanna hold it?
Ah!
Don't
Don't, Pakuha mo sa kanya. Ah. Mabigay mo na sa kanya. Ikaw ba? Ikaw ba? Ikaw naman na?
Come on.
Oh. Ang taas ah. This way? Or there? Kami din?
Yan tayo ilong. 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 Yan. Dito. Dito na ako yung isa. Dito. Yan. Okay. Yung ilong mo.
Oh, hold on. Middle. Ilong. Sarap. Love it. I love it. Mukha lang siyang scary pero but not, ano? Ew. Wow. All right. Sarap. Clean and clear. Sarap. Hindi dito, doon. Am I doing the right thing? Good. Oh, where's your rope? What? Oh, sure. Okay. Wow. Yeah, I'll send it to you. Oh, doon ka napasukan ng water. Yeah, where's your rope? Ayun. May mga langgam. Yeah, we have something to eat. Yeah, swim all the way. Swim all the way. Oh, do you need to grab it? You're the one. Okay. Survive yan. Rico, adios. Ano? Ayos ba? May troops. Ano? Wala.
So. Okay.
Ooh. Oh.
Oh shoot.
Do you have one? We have one more or two more. You need water?
You want,
We have water? Water.
Okay.
You don't have water.
I drank from the creek.
Ah, meron tayo isa.
Yeah, my phone.
Ay, walang surprise. What's this?
Almost out. Oh, it's chicken.
Oopsie, sorry. Ooh.
Rice.
And then, and beef?
Yeah, of course.
Oh.
Dominican Republic, you have to try some beans.
Rice and
true.
beans.
You have no options.
True. Oh, oh,
Here's some salad.
salad.
But you have a big, Ang buto. Yung sa mga buto ko. Hindi mo nga? Kabalyero.
Wala, mga kabalyero.
Kabalyero, gentleman yan.
Ay, kabalyero. Mga kabayo. Let's go. Fight. Let's go. Ah, ang dami. Ala. Ala. Ang dami nila.
Hindi na kailangan ng ganito, no?
Ba, sa Baguio din sa atin may ganyan, ha? Wow. Sa atin may nauso yan, eh. Sa atin may natuso, eh. Tas sinipa ako, Dab, baka sipain ka, Dab. Dab, sisipain ka. Tas sinipa ka. Tapos pinush ka ng paa.